Come closer to the mic. Yeah, keep coming in.
Question 8. Hi, can you listen to this?
Can everyone just go back a little bit, please?
Yeah. Move back.
Can you hear this? Yes.
Move in a little further to the microphone.
If we have twice I'll speak, and I only speak just a few sentences, and then I would appreciate no questions because there's a trial still on, and it would be inappropriate to ask any questions in relation to this. And then I'll finish. And I would ask you to respect that. So, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank my wife, my 2 sons, and my daughter, and my sister, who have supported me not only during this trial, but for the past 6 years of great personal difficulty. I would of course especially like to thank my legal team, Solicitor Michael Staines, Senior Counsel Michael O'Higgins, Junior Counsel John Fitzgerald and Gavin McCormack for their dedication and hard work. I would like also to especially thank the women and men of the jury who found me not guilty of all charges. To all my friends who have stood by me, and in particular to 2 very special friends, I will always be truly grateful for their support during this very difficult time. I now simply ask that the courtesy extended to me and my family during this trial by the media will be maintained, and the privacy of my family, which has been intruded on over the past 6 years, will now cease. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Just on a personal level, John, how do you feel?
Sorry. Bye, Dad. Bye.
Yeah. You going to get the disc or come yourself?
Oh yeah, baby.